If you could legally avoid taxes on hundreds of thousands of dollars, would you do it? I would. The rule of the game is to avoid taxes, not evade. And you can do this with a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA has a cult following, and for good reason. In this video, we're going to go over the 3 reasons why everyone loves the Roth IRA. And if you're new here, my name is Wahidah. I'm a girl who worked in wealth management, and now I make these videos for you. So back to the Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a tax-free retirement account where you invest after-tax dollars into an account and it grows tax-free. And when you withdraw it in retirement years, it's 100% tax-free. It's a good deal, and the government knows it. That's why they limit how much you can invest into it every year. It's a huge tax advantage. But not enough of the girls are taking advantage of this. So let's change that. And listen, I'm a first-gen wealth builder as well. And I did not grow up hearing about this. But once I learned, I knew I had to tell y'all. This is how we stop just getting by. And this is how we start building real wealth for ourselves and our communities. Because like it or not, we live in a capitalist society. And this is the strategy the rich are using to get richer. Trust me, I have seen it. Let me teach you how. So, what is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is a retirement account that's not tied to an employer, like a 401k would be or a 403b. The only requirement to have one is you need earned income. So that means a job or business. You need income. So if you, your partner, your parents, your siblings, if any of them qualify, they need to have one. Tell them about this. And let's be real. If we want to see our communities build generational wealth, we have to stop keeping these conversations to ourselves. If you're watching this, I want you to send this video to at least one person you love. We're all going up together. Okay, number 1 reason the Roth IRA is the best wealth building tool is that it's tax-free growth. It's powerful. Here's how it works. You put in money after taxes and your gains grow tax-free. So when you retire, you keep every single dollar that's in that account. Think about it. If you had $500,000 in a taxable account and you pull the funds out over the years with a 15% capital gains tax rate, that means you're paying $75,000 in taxes over the years. That's a lot of money. But with the Roth IRA, you keep it all. That's why the government puts a cap on how much you can put into this every year. Because they don't want people going crazy with it and taking advantage. Because trust. As a girl who worked in wealth management, if there's a loophole, the wealthy are going to find it. All right. And reason 2 why the Roth IRA is the best wealth building tool out there. Number 2 is that you can withdraw your contributions at any time. So if you've ever heard you can't withdraw from a Roth IRA until you're 59 and a half. This is a myth. Most people think you're locked into a Roth IRA until 59 and a half, but that's not true. You can withdraw your contributions at any time, penalty free. It's just the gains that you can't touch until later. But there's loopholes for that too. So if last week you put in $1,000 into a Roth IRA and then today you're like, oh shit, I really need that money back. Well, you can take it out. No penalties, no stress. But when you're investing in a Roth IRA, I want you to be thinking with the mindset that this money isn't something that you're going to touch for a long time. Let compound interest work its magic. You're investing for the future. Number 3 reason why the Roth IRA is one of the best wealth building tools: the Backdoor Roth strategy for high earners. Okay, if you're making over the income limit to contribute to a Roth IRA directly, first off, congratulations. Your parents and your grandparents worked hard to see you get to this moment. But don't let a high salary stop you. You can still use a backdoor Roth IRA to get money into this account. I would do this for our high earning clients all the time. Here's how it works. You just contribute post-tax dollars to an IRA, and then you convert it to a Roth IRA. Just make sure you don't have any IRA money prior to this, or the aggregate rule comes into play and it's a headache to keep track of. And there you go. You bypass the income limit for contributing to a Roth IRA directly. And if you're in this position, I'm going to challenge you. Bring your community up with you. Wealth shouldn't stop at just one person. If you've made it, teach your siblings, your cousins, your best friends, your parents. We're breaking poverty cycles together. All right, y'all. That's all I've got for today. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe, because in 2 weeks, we'll have a new video for y'all. Bye.